What's up guys, it's me Jaden, back with another video. Today we are gonna be unboxing more blocks. We'll be unboxing more blox fruits stuff. So we have another plushie and another figurine. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing in today's video. I hope you get good fruits. And I hope you guys like the video, subscribe, and turn on the bell to be notified when a new video comes out. Let's get into this. Let's start with the minifigures. So we just, I want light or love because permanent fruit. But I think the best looking here, I think it's Blizzard. Yeah, I think it's Blizzard. So let's open it up and see if we get anything good. So we have the shadow. We have the shadow just like the last one. But what we're trying to look for, let's see, we'll put this here. This. Oh, is a good thing inside. I'm gonna try to feel it. What could that be? Hold on. I feel the stem. I just don't know what it could be. It could be Blizzard or ice. That's what I think. No, oh no. I just felt the bottom. It's rocky. Let's open it. Oh, it's right. No! I wanted a good fruit. I mean, at least we have physical code that I will redeem later. I mean, hopefully we get something good in the plushies. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, we got the things. We got the plushie. Let me take the plastic off. Let's open this up. I'm not gonna feel what's inside this time because I'm scared. Come on. Okay. This is a fast opening. I'm scared. This is it. The moment of truth. Wait, where's the rocket? Oh, there it is. Where did it go? How did it go? Rocket and shadow. I'm scared. Aw. I think, why did I look? I just had to look. It's ice. It's just physical. No permanent, just all physicals. Man, I wanted to get a permanent. I mean, hopefully we get a good fruit in the game. Let's go redeem these codes. Let's see what we got from those codes. Too bad they were both physical fruits. Where'd it go? Where's the lyrics? Okay. Let's get something other than rocket or spin or falcon. Are you serious, bro? Rocket? That's bad. I have 4 rockets somehow, even though my max fruit storage is 2. Okay, hopefully we get like shadow or blizzard or something. We didn't even have good luck on the codes. Maybe we'll try next time. See you guys, and remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell to be notified when a new video comes out. Bye bye.